All right, here's a question where you're asked to simplify. So at the top it'll say simplify or multiply. Okay, so when you're simplifying any rational expression, what you want to do is factor every term that's in there. So you want to factor this one, this one, this one, and this one. And then anything that's on the top that's the same with something on the bottom, you can cancel those out as a factor of 1. So here I have x to the 4th. I guess you could write that as x times x, so 4x's. On the bottom, 3x plus 6, I could factor 3 out, and I'd be left with x plus 2. Notice I can't cancel this x with this x, because this one has a plus 2 there. That plus sort of anchors that. So when I'm looking to cancel this, I have to be looking at the whole thing. So there has to be an x plus 2 somewhere on the top in order to cancel. Okay, so times. Okay, so we factored this one and this one. And now we factor this top one. I think I can take a common factor of 5 out, leaving me with x plus 2. And then on the bottom, again, you could rewrite that since it's x to the 7th. That means you have 7 x's. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now you look for common factors on the top and the bottom that you could eliminate. So I'll use a different color here. There's 4 x's here, and there's 4 here, so I could cancel out those 4 with those 4. Notice again, I can't cancel this x with this x, because this one is bound by that addition or a subtraction sign. But I do have a whole x plus 2 here and an x plus 2 there. So those I can cancel out. They're gone. What else is the same? A 3 and a 5. Oh, here's 2 5s. 5s can go. And so on the top, I don't really have anything. Now, keep in mind that when you cancel things like this, what you're really doing is dividing, or like on the side here, I'll put an x over an x. If you divide those two, what you come up with that is 1, right? So anything divided by itself is equal to 1. That's the identity property. And so really on the top, what I'm left with is a 1 over, let me erase that top stuff, 1 over whatever's on the left on the bottom. I have a 3 there, and I have 3 x's, so I can write that as x cubed. So that would be the simplification of that expression there.